Barbie, do you want to say a few words to your guests, maybe?
Okay, hi everyone! As you know, sobrang may stage fright talaga ako, so kinakabahan ako na lahat kayo nakatingin sa akin. But yes, correct. Palabas ng Ursula dyan. I just wanted to thank everyone for coming kahit umuulan. Syempre my family.
Mag-inang Richard Gutierrez at Annabel Rama present sa 26th birthday ni Barbie Imperial, nakuna ng video sina Richard at Barbie na magkatabi sa table, at naroon rin si Annabel sa kabilang table. Totoo na ata ang chikang may relasyon sina Barbie at Richard, at parang botong-boto pa si Annabel sa relasyon nila.
I just killed a man, she's my ally.